my name is Agasthya and my story's name is The Three Little Pigs. There lived three little pigs. His name is Stuart, his name is Max, his name is Bob. Mom said that they have grown up, so they have to build their own house and stay alone. Stuart made a house of straws. Max made a house of wood. And Bob made his house of bricks. One day a fox came to Stuart's house. Stuart ran inside his house. The fox said, "Come out, otherwise I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." So fox blew Stuart's house away and ate Stuart up. One day the fox came to Max's house and Max ran inside his house. And the fox said, "Get out, otherwise I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." He blew Max's house and ate him up. Finally, the fox came to Bob's house. Bob ran inside his house and the fox said, "Come out, otherwise I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away." Mother, I escaped from the fox, and after that they lived happily ever after. Thank you. Hope you all like my story.